Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve a geared mix-up puzzle, geared mix-up cube. It is very interesting cube. So it has characteristics of gear cube and mix-up cube. So normally, if you look at this, you can't move your cube from here, right? So you can't move from half turn, but in this case, if you look at, this corner will become center and center will become corner. So it's like we can move from this side, and this corner will become center. So now you can see this has become center. So similar characteristics of mix-up puzzle in gear cube is there. So we can move from this side. You can see this is, I mean, we can move from this half turn, unlike regular gear cube. So it gives challenge. It is created by Oscar, or it is very, that is, I mean, excellent cube. I'll just show you few notations or algorithm, so that, I mean, it will be easier for you to understand. There are two algorithms. Mainly, there are two algorithms, and by which you can solve the entire cube. So the first algorithm is you can switch this to swap these two pieces, center and edge piece, by this algorithm. So it is like R U R U R U prime R prime U prime R prime and U. So now we can see this, both the pieces are swapped, but at the same time, if you look at the back side, these two pieces are also swapped. So normally we use 3 cycle uh, algorithm. So I mean, this two will swap, and then if we try to swap this two, this will again come back into its original position. So now, I mean, the first we saw this two we swapped. Now we'll swap this two. So that is another algorithm. So that is L prime U prime L prime U prime L prime U L U L and U. So these two pieces are swapped, and if you look at, this is also swapped and it is into its original position. So I mean, we can use 3 cycle, and we can solve the entire cube. Now again we'll use, I mean, we'll swap this two. So it is from left side because we need to swap this two. So it will be from here. So L prime U prime L prime U prime L prime U L U L U. So this two swap. Now we have to swap this two. Now you can see this two also swapped. So again we'll use this two, and from this side, so this will be swapped and this two will be swapped. So R U R U R U prime R prime U prime R prime U prime. So it is solved. So let's scramble the cube. So now it is scrambled properly. So first step is, I mean, we need to match the corners of first layer. So maybe we can start with this, as we have two orange corners, I mean green corners are with us. So we have another green over here. So So we have one more corner which is in place, and this is last corner which we can put it in place. So we have all four corners are into its correct position, and now we have to match all top layer corners. So we have one corner which is in its original position. This is not into its correct position, this is also not into its correct position, so we'll use 3 by 3 algorithm to swap, to rotate these three pieces corners. So it is u r u prime l prime u r prime u prime l. Again we'll use the same u r u prime l prime u r prime u prime l, and now you can see it is matched, but still we have to these two are into its correct position, but these two are now swapped. You can see this. This doesn't happen in 3 by 3 because these two corners are swapped. Since it's a mix-up puzzle, so this happens. So we have to swap these two corners. So we'll use corner swapping algorithm, that is 2r u 2r ui 2r. Then we'll move this 2r ui 2r u 2r. So now you can see all the corners are into its correct position. So our first step is done. Okay, so now we'll start with one side. We can start with any of the side. We have to fix the center and edges of one side. So probably we can start with orange. Okay, so this is the center, we can swap this two. So to swap this two, we have to use this algorithm r u r u r ui ri ui ri ui. So this is into its correct position. Now we have to place this center over here. Do we have any other? Okay, we have this and orange and black, orange and green. Okay, so now what we'll do is first we'll fix this. So it is here, so we have to fix in this place. So first we'll bring it up, but since you see the color is opposite of green, so here it should be green instead of orange. So what we'll do is we'll bring this back and change its color and bring it back. So we'll bring it back. Now here it is green, so this side it should be green. So what we will do is we'll bring this green side over here and now bring it back. So now we can see here it is green, here also it is green, so it will fix properly. So we'll use the same algorithm to swap this two. So r u r u r ui ri ui ri ui. So now we can see it is fixed properly. Okay, now we'll have to bring this back, and since we have rotated this back layer, we have to put it into its correct place. So now it is back, and then we have to place this layer into its correct position, so that this orange center is into its original position. Okay, so now we have this piece that is yellow and orange, which we need to fix here. So what we'll do is we'll first bring it here and see this is also opposite color. So here it is yellow and here it is orange. So we have to first rotate this and bring yellow color over here. So we'll bring it back, rotate it and bring it in front. So this is orange, this is yellow. So what we'll do is we'll rotate it. So this is now yellow, we'll bring it in front again, and now you can see both the colors are same, and now we can swap these two. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. So this is into its correct position. Now we'll bring this back and again rotate this so that our orange center is into its correct position. And now we have two edges which are placed in orange side and one center. Okay, now we have to find another. This is orange and blue, so orange and blue will fix here. So first we'll see whether it is now we can see it is both the colors are same, so it will be easy for us to swap. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. So it is placed properly. Now last edge piece which we need to fix, and that is here. Okay, so now it is bit tricky, but we can do it. So what we'll do is first we will swap this two and then we'll swap this two. So it will come first here and then here. So we'll bring it over here. So now we can see we will swap this two piece and then we'll swap this two. So here you can see this will swap and again it will come into its original position. So we need two cycle. So first we'll swap this two and then two, so it will be into its original position. So this is this two, so we'll try we'll have to do this algorithm. So L prime U prime L prime U prime L prime U L U L U. So now we can see these two are swapped. Now we have to swap these two. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. So this is into these two are swapped. Now we have to bring this back. Okay, so now we can see this is correctly positioned, and this piece from here it came here. So now it will be easier for us to place here, and since it is I mean not into its correct position, so we'll first bring it back, rotate it, and then we'll bring in front. So since it is not into its correct position, this is the black side. So what we'll do is okay, so this is the black side, and now we'll bring in front. Like this. Okay, now we'll swap this two. So this both will swap. R U R U R U I R I U I RI UI. So this is placed. Now we'll have to bring this back and put it into its correct position. So this black piece will go back, and now we'll place it here. So now we can see our one side is done. So all pieces are into its correct position. All, I mean, center and all edges are correctly placed. Okay, so now next step is, since this side is over, what we will do is we'll keep it on left side and or right side, and we'll fix this color, I mean red. So we have to fix first center and then edges. So this red center is here. So what we'll do is first we'll bring it here and we'll swap this too. Or rather what we can do is we'll do two cycles. So we'll first swap this two and then this two. So it will be, because this is the center, and center, I mean yellow piece, center piece is there in place of red side. So we have to basically swap this two. So what we'll do is we'll do first, we'll swap this two and then this two. So left L prime U prime L prime U prime L prime U L U L U. Okay, so these two swap. Now we have to swap these two. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. So these two are swapped. Now we'll bring this back. So this is not disturbed, and this center is into its correct position. Okay, now we have this piece, red and green. This is already placed. So this is red and green which we need to place. So what we can do is, green side is here, and here it is green. So what we can do is we'll put it over here. So this is the green side, and now we'll bring in front like this. So we can swap this too. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I and U I. So this is placed, and now we'll bring this back. Sorry, now we have to bring this back first. This, because we brought this piece from here, so we'll have to bring it back. So now it is into its correct position. This is also solved. Okay, now we have green and black, and we have red and black. Okay, we have red and blue also. So first we'll fix this red and blue. Okay, so these two we can swap easily. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. So this is placed. Now first we have to swap this two, because it is not correctly positioned. So we'll have to bring it out, and then we'll have to position correctly, and then we'll place it into its correct position. So first we'll have to swap this two. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I and U I. Okay, so now it has come out. So first we'll bring it back. Now we have to rotate it into its correct position like this. This is the black side, this is also the black side, and now we'll bring it back. Okay, and now we have to swap this too. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. So this is placed. Now we'll have to bring this back and place it. So this is we have undo the setup move. So now we can see this side is also done and this side is also done. So we are through with two sides. Okay, so now next step is we'll keep both the sides which are solved on back and top and bottom, and we'll now solve the middle edge. So middle edge and centers. So we have this two. Okay, I see. What we can do is we have this is blue and yellow. Blue and yellow will come here, and this is green and yellow. Green and yellow will come here, and this is green side. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll flip this two and this two first, like this. So first we'll flip this, swap this two, and then we'll swap this two. So we'll swap first this two. So L prime U prime L prime U prime L prime U L U L and U. Okay, now we'll see. So this is swapped. Now we have to swap this two. So we'll swap this two, but for that we need to uh, first orient it correctly. So if we'll put this, it will be like this. So we have to orient it correctly. If you look at this, it will not be oriented correctly. So we have to orient in this way. I mean, yellow should be it should be match with this corner. So once we match it with blue color, it will be solved. Otherwise we can because we have to bring this piece over here, so at present we can just swap it. So R U R U R U prime R prime U prime R prime U prime. So this is done. Now you can see this center is fixed, and now next is we have to first we have to swap this two, because sorry, first we have to swap this two, and this is into its correct position, but it is rotated. So we'll fix it. First we'll swap this two, but for this also we need to orient this piece into correct position, because yellow should be oriented correctly. So we'll bring this piece back like this. Now we'll orient it correctly, because yellow should be it should match with this corner, and now we'll bring it here. Now it is, now we will swap it. So R U R U R U prime r prime u prime r prime u prime. So now it is placed correctly. Now again we'll bring this back and rotate it so that our top and bottom should not get disturbed. Now we'll bring it back. So now we can see our top and bottom are placed correctly, but this is swept. Now we have to use this. First we have to bring this back and then we'll rotate it. So this is because it is not correctly oriented, and this back side also we have to place it correctly. So first L prime U prime L prime U prime L prime U L U L U. Okay, so now it is placed correctly. Okay, this is a tricky situation. So what we'll do is we'll again place this into its correct position and then we'll replace it with this, because we need to use 3 cycle algorithm, so that first we'll swap this 2 and then we'll swap this 2 so that this will be into its correct position. So first we'll swap this 2. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I UI. So this is correctly placed. Now we can see it is into its correct position. Now what we'll do is we'll swap with this, correct it and then place it, or the other thing is we have to place this is black and blue, so black and blue should be here. So we swap this to, now again we have to use this one more cycle so that we can again place this back. So we'll have to again swap this to. So L prime U prime L prime U prime L prime U L U L and U. So now if we place it into its position, so now we can see this bottom and top is intact, and now we have 1 2 3 and 4 pieces needs to be placed properly. Okay, now next step is what we'll do is we'll start from here. Now first we'll swap this, rotate it and put it into its and then first we'll swap this and then we'll swap this, will correctly placed, and we'll swap this into its correct position. So first step is we'll swap this to, so L prime U prime L prime U prime L prime U L U L U. So now again we have to swap this too, but for that you can see this is not correctly rotated, so we will have to rotate correctly. So we'll bring it back, rotate correctly. Since this is black and this is black, now we'll bring it here and now we'll replace it with this. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. So now it is placed properly, and now we'll bring this back. since we had our setup move, so we'll put it into its correct position, and now we'll bring in front. Okay, so now we can see this is correctly positioned, this is also correctly positioned. Okay, now we have this two and we have this two. Okay, so first what we can do is, let us try from here. So this is correctly positioned, this needs to be switched, so this will be here, and this two needs to be switched. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll swap this two, and then we'll swap this two. So first we have to orient this piece correctly, so we'll bring this back, and since we have to swap this two, we have to move from here, and now black side we should keep here, so it should match with black, and we have to bring this from here only, from left side. Okay, so now we can see it is matching. Now we have to swap this two, so L prime U prime, L prime U prime, L prime U, L U, L U. Okay, now it is correctly positioned. Now we'll have to bring this back, since we brought it, and now we have to place it into its original position, and now we'll have to bring it back, so that our top and bottom will not get disturbed. So now we can see this is placed, this is placed, and this is placed. Now we have a situation wherein we have to since we have done one cycle, so this is swept, we have to do again one cycle so that it will be into its correct position. So this is back side, we need to again place it into its correct position. Okay, so we rotated wrongly, because if you see here it is red and yellow. So it once it will, this is back side. So back side, once it this will swap, this yellow will come here on in place of red, and red will come in place of yellow. So we rotated wrong. So first we'll have to rotate into its correct position. So this was the position. Now we have to rotate it correctly, and then we'll have to see whether the position is correct or not. Now we can see this position is correct. So now if this will swap, this will be into its original position. So now we have to swap these two. So R U, R U, R U I, R I U I, R I U I. Okay, and now we have to bring it back, and place it into its correct position, and now we will bring it. So now we can see all the top and bottom is into its correct position. This is also now solved. Now we have 1 2 3 4 pieces which are left. So first will okay, so first we'll swap these two. Okay, first we'll swap these two and then we'll swap these two. So this will come here and this will come here, and then we'll swap this two. So and then we'll have 3 cycle. So we have to first rotate it into its correct position. So we'll bring it back and we'll position in correct color and we'll bring it back. Now we will swap this two. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. So this is placed properly and this is also come into its correct position. Now what we'll do is we'll bring this back and place it into its original position. So this is back side and now we'll bring into its correct position. So now we can see we have to swap this two, because this is swap, we have done only one cycle, so we have to do this cycle also so that we can place this properly. Okay, so our next step is we have to swap this two. So L prime U prime L prime U prime L prime U L U L U. Okay, so this is placed properly. Now we have 1 2 3 pieces which we need to place it. So this will come here, so this two will swap first and then this two will swap, and it will be, our cube will be solved. So first we have to swap this two. Okay, so R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. So this is swap. Now we have to swap this two. So L I U I L I U I L I U L U L U. Okay, now we'll place it into its original position. Okay, so this is the situation where we have one piece, entire cube is solved, only one piece is flipped. You can see entire cube is solved, so it is very easy, we can do it. So first what we'll do is, first we'll swap this two and we'll bring this into center position. We'll correct the orientation and flip this, swap this back. So first we'll swap this to R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. Okay, now we can see this is not oriented correctly, so we'll bring this back and we'll correct the position. So this is the correct position, and now we'll bring it back. Right, now we have to swap this two again. So R U R U R U I R I U I R I U I. Okay, so now what we'll have to do is, we have done setup move, so we'll have to bring this back first and correct the orientation which we have done it, and now we'll have to bring this back and our cube is solved. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can message me.